Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever needed a skincare pick-me-up but weren't sure which mask to reach for? Well, today we've got the perfect solution. Whether you're getting ready for a special night out or unwinding after a long day, we're talking about the ILove FaceTime and Chills Face Mask Self-Care Kit, a versatile, ingredient-driven collection of 4 masks designed to pamper your skin and relax your mind. If you're into the idea of a multitasking skincare routine, you'll want to stick around. And hey, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things beauty. This ILove Face Mask Kit contains a range of mask types to suit every need: a purifying tea tree mud mask, a gentle aloe vera cream mask, an exfoliating strawberry peel-off mask, and a clarifying charcoal peel-off mask. Each one offers unique benefits, whether you're dealing with impurities, dryness, or just in need of a refreshing cleanse. Plus, they're all designed to be gentle on even the most sensitive skin. Let's talk about the texture and experience of using these masks. I was pleasantly surprised by how smooth each one applied. The tea tree mud mask gave a nice cooling effect as it worked into my pores, providing that refreshing, clean feeling. The aloe vera cream mask was an absolute dream. It was soothing and hydrating, perfect for when your skin needs some extra TLC. I also love how the strawberry peel-off mask felt as it dried down, offering a gentle exfoliation without being harsh, which is essential if you're working with sensitive skin like mine. Lastly, the charcoal peel-off mask is great for targeting blemishes and breakouts, especially when you're looking for something that really clarifies your complexion. The beauty of this kit is its versatility. Whether I'm prepping for a glam night or indulging in a much-needed self-care evening, these masks fit seamlessly into my routine. Each mask targets a specific skin concern, so whether I need exfoliation, hydration, or deep cleansing, I've got a mask that's up for the task. I really appreciate the variety that lets me mix and match based on my skin's needs that day. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, all these masks are vegan and cruelty-free, which I absolutely love. They're also formulated without harsh chemicals like parabens and SLS, so I can feel confident using them on my skin. Another pro? The gentle formula. Even after using them multiple times, I haven't experienced any irritation or redness, which can sometimes happen with other masks. On the flip side, if you're not into peel-off masks, that's something to be aware of. The strawberry and charcoal masks are peel-offs, which might not be everyone's favorite texture, but for me, I find them to be super satisfying, especially when they come off in one piece. The other downside might be that the mud mask takes a bit longer to dry compared to the cream or peel-off masks. Is this product worth its price? For the quality of the ingredients and the versatility of the kit, I'd say it offers good value for money. At this price, you're getting a high-quality set of masks that can tackle different skincare needs. It's perfect for anyone who loves variety in their self-care routine, but doesn't want to break the bank. In terms of comparison, while there are other similar face mask kits out there, this one stands out for the ingredients it uses: natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. There are cheaper alternatives, of course, but many of those tend to use synthetic fragrances or ingredients that aren't as gentle on the skin. So if you're someone who prioritizes natural skincare, I think this kit is a great choice. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is simple but sturdy, and I appreciate the clear instructions for each mask. It's also worth noting that the masks don't leave any sticky or uncomfortable residue after use, which can be a deal breaker for some. So, what's the final verdict? If you're someone who loves to treat their skin to different experiences, this kit offers a balanced selection of masks for cleansing, exfoliating, and hydrating, all while being gentle on your skin. It's ideal for anyone looking to indulge in a little self-care with high-quality, natural ingredients. Thank you for watching. And if you're interested in trying out the ILove FaceTime and Chills Face Masks Kit, you can find the link in the description or comments. And if you've tried it yourself, let us know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.